I got you. Whoa!
What are you guys doing? Ready to train grandma?
You have to. Say hi, grandma.
I gotcha. I was just getting me. Say hey, daddy.
Say hi, grandma.
Hi, Steven.
Hi, grandma.
We're making a movie. Making a memory.
Next station, Planetarium. Northwest.
That's where we're gonna go one time, you guys. You'll like the planetarium.
That's where we're going. Stop. Oh, we're almost there. Wiggle, wiggle, bear.
You guys wanna go build a bear?
Josh doesn't want to. She said, no.
I don't think Joss gets to build a bear. She doesn't have a coupon.
She's not my friend.
Is Joss gonna build a bear, Steven?
No.
No, you don't have a coupon.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
You have to have money or a coupon. Who's gonna buy Joss a bear?
You let your money in the car?
Can give you money?
No, we can't build a
Well, good thing you have your card in my purse, huh?
Yeah, good job, Mom. That was time. All right, thank you. This is us, family.
Oh, time to go build a bear.
I think. I don't know where.
We'll ask the guy.
Where you go get off?
It's in the middle.
Is this the gateway?
Gateway. This is the middle.
You'd think we were out of towners. We just lived down the road.
Well, we don't live in Salt Lake.
You do, basically.
Well, basically, Jeff works here in the city, or by the